There are many different challenges in the journey of exploring space, such as lack of gravity, low pressure, lack of oxygen, and radiation. Human beings who are keen on space exploration have been committed to create a perfect spacesuit that will cater for all these challenges. The huge challenge for the spacesuit was how to maintain the astronauts' normal blood pressure. In the end, NASA found a solution in nature. The inspiration for this solution actually came from the tallest animals on the land, the giraffes. Scientists have discovered the giraffe can pump blood through its long neck to the head because of its high blood pressure. It is 2 to 3 times that of other mammals. The unique body structure of the giraffes and the muscles around its blood vessels are very developed to compress the blood vessels and control blood flow. At the same time, the skin and fascia of the legs are tightly stretched, which facilitates the upward flow of blood from the lower limbs. Giraffes have a heart weighing more than 10 kilograms, and their powerful jugular veins contains a complex valve system that can prevent blood from flowing backwards when the giraffe lowers its head and avoid sudden death from accumulation of blood. Scientists have developed a targeted anti-gravity spacesuit that is equipped with an inflator. As the speed of the spacecraft increases, the suit is filled with gas, thereby generating blood pressure in the blood vessels that keeps the astronaut's blood pressure normal. The giraffe is the cutest animal on the African savanna, but it's also the most frustrated animal. If the African savanna had a ranking list, the giraffe would probably rank number 1 for the most problematic animal. Let me tell you why. 1. Their tongues are pricked all day long. The giraffe's tongue is 45 to 50 centimeters long, and most of the time it has to be stretched out, grabbing leaves to eat. Because of the African sun, the giraffe evolved its tongue into a black-blue shade color in order to prevent it from being sunburnt. Leave a comment down below if your tongue changes color. In order to eat delicious acacia leaves from its thorny branches, the giraffe's tongue provides a layer of thick saliva and tough horny substances to protect itself from being stabbed. In addition to eating, their long tongues are also used for bad behavior, such as picking ears and nostrils. 2. Their long necks. The giraffe has a long, deformed neck. There must be many cervical vertebrae in such a long neck, right? In fact, giraffes, like human beings and most mammals, have only 7 bones. Long necks are not just for reaching the leaves of the trees. Giraffes use their necks for fighting, showing their muscles, and to detect danger by peeping at other animals' businesses. But drinking water is a big problem. 3. Insomniac. Giraffes are well-known patients with severe insomniac. They can't sleep on all sides, and they can only sleep from 20 minutes to 2 hours a day. They actually sleep while standing to protect themselves from predators. So when you see a giraffe standing still with its head drooped, don't be surprised. They're just sleeping. 4. Their mouths are constantly moving. The giraffe needs to eat all day long and cannot stop. Giraffes eat 16 to 20 hours a day. They are ruminants, so most of the time their mouths are busy chewing. On the plus side, eating food all day long but still have long legs is the ultimate dream for many women. 5. Giraffe horns. Both male and female giraffes have this protrusion, but this is not a horn. It's a skin-bone horn formed from ossified cartilage, which is different from the horns of the rhinos, the sika deer, and the cows. This magical bone is covered with fur and fused with the parenchymal bone of the skull. The main function of the giraffe antlers is not only to show off, but also to fight and to show gender and age. And by the way, to receive savanna Wi-Fi signals. Giraffes mainly live on the vast grassland of tropical and subtropical Africa. You can find different giraffe subspecies in the east, south, west, and central Africa. Common giraffes include Maasai giraffe, reticulated giraffe, Angola giraffe, and South African giraffe. Giraffes still have a miserable time. Although they have the strongest Wi-Fi signals, they can't even use mobile phones. Hello? Is it a giraffe? Hey! Hey! They even can't take group photos. But for sure, they are still the cutest big guys in the wild world.